say thank you for all young entrepreneurs. And yes, of course, this is my first time in Tripura, but I'm really enjoying this session. And I met many students who were very much confused. So because I got a call from Tripura, they said they want to come. I mean, please come and help them for career guidance. So we have a college in Bangalore. This is 20-year-old college. So we have MBBS, we have nursing, we have engineering. Then apart from there, we have a pharmacy, we have a nursing. So multiple courses we have, and students they are not aware. After they are very much confused. Like after 12th standard, what they have to do. Especially parents also confused. And here what happened? The lack of career guidance. Actually, I prefer each and every college schools they should have a career guidance program, which is not happening. So that is the reason here students are facing. So I met, you must have seen, like I met, interacted with many students and parents also. So they are very much confused after told what they need to do. Especially the art students, they are not aware what they have to do. Even the science student also, if they want to do some courses, again the budget is the problem. Finance is a problem for them. So that's what we are come here to help them, and we are showing them the right path, which courses they have to join, and then apart from that, see how we can help. Central government, so many projects are there, but students are not aware, even parents are not aware. They are very much, worried. So that's why you can see so much crowd here, because parents they want some kind of relaxation for their studies, and of course some kind of finance part also. That's why we are here to help, and we are helping them.
So, ma'am, what type of feedback do you get from parents and students?
Today I met many parents and students. Again, the same thing. They are very much confused. So they have lot of dream. This dream they are not able to complete because of the financial issues. But still, I feel like they should know whatever like governments are helping, like MSP portal we have. Again, banking sector also helping. They are not aware. So once we tell them like how they can dream should come true, and that's what I see today. Confused parents I saw, and they are happy when I met them. Then I told about the schemes what they have. So little bit they relax also. And again, I'll be doing one-to-one interaction, and definitely we will help them, because the future of students, they are the bhavishya for our future.
Ma'am, any message for Tripura with the upcoming students which they like to join?
Yeah, of course, because I met principals and owners of the schools, and always I'm telling they should have a career guidance. Like how, like metropolitan city or big cities, they have this kind of program, but only thing that small villages which I have not seen. Even though this is Agartala, but still I have not seen. I am not that. Like at least some schools, I mean school owners and teachers, they should come ahead, and they should give this kind of program. At least for career guidance, they should give.
Ma'am, how many courses are there in nursing, and what are they?
Courses,
Yeah.
like we have we have a two type of nursing. One we have a GNM. GNM is just a 3-year course, and any stream can do. Even arts, commerce, and science. There's a diploma course for 3 years. And again, we have a BSc nursing. After the science background, PCB. That's we required physics, chemistry, and biology. We required. They can go for BSc nursing. That's a 4-year course. It's a noble job. You must have seen, like after COVID, the time of COVID, how much problem we faced. And this is very noble job, noble work also, noble studies also. And our college, not only the giving educations, even giving the 100% placement also we are giving. Our chairman, Mr. Manjesh Mohan, he is himself, he wants like each and every student should get a placement. That is a better placement. Not only in Bangalore, we are giving placement for entire India. Not only India, in abroad also we are helping them. So this is the job.
In nursing for Tripura, vacancy are available?
Pardon? Placements? Yeah, of course, placement is available. That's why I said pan-India placements we have. Not only Bangalore, pan-India. Because what happened when they come for Tripura, or they come from Assam, they come from Sikkim, they want to go back after the studies. So very few students, they will stay back. But many students, they want to go back. So on that case, we are helping them to get a job placement in their cities. Their cities we are helping them.
And then what